Greetings everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. Today we have the BARYONYX Chaos from Dino Escape. We're gonna unbox it. We're gonna check it out. I know it's been a while now since this thing came out. So let's check it out when it came out. It came out back in 2021. But we're gonna unbox it. I had this at the shelf for a while. We're gonna compare to the Hammond collection and the Chaos Theory BARYONYX. Okay guys? So first things first is we're gonna check this Hammond collection. Obviously there's no sound. It's a Hammond collection. It has a bendy tail. You can move it anywhere you like. There you go. They forgot to paint the dew claw again, as always. Right there. Right there. That doesn't have a marble eye yet back then. The teeth's not made of rubber yet as well. Okay. Now let's go to the Chaos Theory. The blind BARYONYX, better teeth, made of rubber now. It's another layer. Okay, so I already explained this a couple, 2 weeks ago, I think. Alright, it's a new sculpt of a BARYONYX, so it's very good. Alright, so we're gonna check this BARYONYX Chaos. Alright, we're gonna unbox it. Okay, so we have the classic Allosaurus here and the Ouranosaurus. This Ouranosaurus doesn't have a variant yet. Hopefully they make it one day, another variant. This one already has a couple. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's unbox it. Alright. I forgot my blade, so we'll just use this saw. Uh-oh. Alright. He's out. Alright, now the tail. Alright, if we get the tail out. Oh, jeez. Dude, tell me we need to blow dry this. I need this. Alright, no need to. It's snap in. I think that battery's not even working anymore. So there you go. So let's change it. Alright, there you go. Just replace the battery. There you go. 3 levels of sound. Classic. Still good. Pretty much just almost the same color with the Hammond collection. Has some blue in it, but just a little tint of right there, bluish, and some light blue. There you go. More blue for this guy. Let's check the color. I don't know, but I kind of like this color better. Or maybe I'll go to the Hammond collection because it's a little darker. Yeah. There you have it. And the Chaos Theory. Of course, it's a different sculpt now. It is bigger. The albino BARYONYX is way bigger. Alright, so there you go. Let's check. Of course, they didn't paint their claws. Nothing's painted here. There is the DNA scan for you guys. Oh, there's some damage there. Okay, looks like a factory defect, but that's okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you're wondering, the next video will be a Chaos Theory. But I want to show you my next hybrid. It is an Apex. We're going to another Apex. So I'm just going to a teaser, okay? I'm not going to show the whole thing. Alright, so let me go grab it. Alright guys, here is the tail. Yep, that's it. It is done. I'm just gonna paint it, so it'll be ready next week. But yep, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for the support. Please subscribe and like, and we'll see you I would say Monday or Tuesday. Alright guys, thank you so much. Have a good one.